Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Snapchat. And after opening our Snapchat, just click this profile icon right here on the top left corner. And after that, click this setting icon right here, which is located at the top right corner. After clicking, scroll down until you see Bitmoji, which is right here. So I want you to click Bitmoji, and after that, you will see this a bunch of stuffs. You will see your Bitmoji right here, and then you will see change my outfit, edit my Bitmoji, and choose a selfie. But since we want to remove the Bitmoji that we created, all we have to do is to go here on the bottom. As you can see right there, you will see unlink my Bitmoji, or you will see remove my Bitmoji. So all we have to do is to click it, and after that, just click this remove button right here. Once you click that, it will now be linked and removed to your Snapchat. And if we look in right here, if we click Bitmoji again, as you can see right there, we don't have any Bitmoji anymore, meaning we have successfully removed Bitmoji from our Snapchat. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.